Let me turn on the TV real quick. There we go. And time to watch it. Welcome back to Gore City News, reporting to you live from downtown Gore City. It's currently a nice sunny day. It's quite dusty, but the forecast shows that there is a 25% chance of rain today, and it will be partly cloudy for the rest of today. The National Weather Service states that there should be it should be the end of tornado season, and so the tornadoes should be a lot less common now, so that's a good thing. But the desert hasn't really been seeing any tornadoes lately, so that's This is a warning message issued by the National Weather Service. We have interrupted your regularly scheduled programming at the request of the National Weather Service and other agencies for your safety. Do not turn off your devices. This message may have vital information for your safety, and at this time there have been reports of strange red liquid in certain lakes, oases, and other areas with water. Researchers have looked into this problem and have realized it is not a virus, it is not a toxin, nor is it any of the sorts. It is its own anomaly, living anomaly. Researchers in the area have been figuring out that the SCP Foundation originally had a breakout pretty recently, and some SCPs have escaped containment, and they are roaming the Gore County and in Liberty County areas, causing mass destruction and a disruption of public safety. We have addressed the situation for the other anomalies, but this is a lot more calm and with less destruction. If you see red, pink, or brown hued water, stay away from it. Repeating, if you see red, pink, or brown hued water, stay away from it. This water is highly dangerous and it can kill you. It has contaminated over 50% of all desert water. Repeating, it has infected over 50% of all desert water. It will soon infect the desert lake. All residents living near the desert lake should evacuate the area and move further inland. It is expected that it will infect the oceans in approximately 2 to 3 months. More information will be brought to you at this time, but it is advised that you evacuate and you stay away from all red, pink, or brown hued water. It is very likely that this disease will infect all water supply in less than a year. Repeating, it is expected that this disease will infect all water supply in less than a year. Researchers have been looking into this situation and have found out ways to purify the water and removing the anomaly. It is highly classified information. Do not spread false information through the internet. All false information will be taken down and you will be arrested for it. It will be thrown a $375,000 fine for it. So we advise that you do not spread false information, as that will lead you going to jail and having to pay a $375,000 fine. Evacuate the area within the next 12 hours. Repeating, evacuate Gore County and Liberty County within the next the Liberty and Gore counties within the next 12 hours. When evacuating, bring all the essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, important documents, money, and other things. If you have a family member or friend at a place of public gathering, or if they are at school, church, or any other place, do not go to pick them up. Repeating, if you have a friend or family member that is at a place of public gathering, such as a school or church, do not go to pick them up. These places generally have their own evacuation procedures. Civil authorities like police and military will be helping with evacuation procedures. To let authorities know you have evacuated, place a white towel or any other visible object in any visible part of your home. This will let civil authorities know that you have evacuated. Do not seek shelter in underground shelters, as this red water will seep through cracks and other portions of your underground shelter and will absolutely destroy it. Any form of contact with the red, pink, or brown-hued water will result in prolonged death. It is unknown what the red, pink, or brown-hued water will cause to the human body, but it is expected that it will cause several issues with your body, and you should get medical attention within 1 to 2 hours of original contact with red, pink, or brown-hued water. If you previously came into contact with uninfected water that is now infected, go to your nearest hospital. It doesn't matter whether or not it was originally not pink, red, or brown, you still have come into contact with infected waters, so you should go to the doctor. Research teams have been deployed in infected areas to perform research and other research on how to stop this disease and its further spread. Do not, and I repeat, do not interrupt or cause issues with the research. This research is vital to your safety, and it could help in the near future. For now, evacuate or do whatever and take whatever steps you can to evacuate. It is recommended that you evacuate during the day or in times that you could see. This red, pink, or brown-hued water can mess with GPS systems and other systems that give you the red, pink, or brown-hued water. It doesn't matter what color it is. It could damage or destroy all GPS systems and other things. So bring a map or find your way using the sun or constellations and stars in the sky. It is recommended that you evacuate during the day and not during the night. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Okay, I guess it is time we get out of here. I hated Desert City to begin with. Oh, jeez. It's time to buy a house. I'm used to the smaller homes, but it's fine. Do they have any, like, townhouses or like, smaller houses or something? Aw, dang it. Well, this is the closest we're gonna get, so we might as well be happy with what we got over here. Better than nothing, but still. Let's go inside. Alright, let's go ahead and go open the safe. That way we don't get robbed. Because that would suck. And let's just sit down and chill, I guess. Let's turn on the news and see what's going on. Here's the news. Welcome back to BN Network, reporting to you live from downtown Brookhaven. It's currently partly cloudy, but it's currently mostly sunny. It's 4:40 or 4:40 something in the afternoon. The forecast shows that it will be sunny, mostly sunny for the rest of for now. There is no chance of rain or anything like that, so go do whatever you. Bop, bop, bop. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming at the request of the National Weather Service office in downtown Brookhaven. The National Weather Service office in Brookhaven has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Madison County, northwestern Brick County, southwestern Gore County, northwestern Gorebox County, and southwestern Liberty County. This severe thunderstorm is capable of producing 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated impact. 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This storm is expected to hit. This storm was detected moving east at 65 miles an hour. This storm is expected to hit Madison County and Gore County in the next 15 minutes. It is expected to hit Liberty County and Brick County in 25 minutes. And it is expected to strike Liberty City County in the next 30 minutes. This storm could be capable of producing a tornado and other disasters. Researchers in Gore County say that this storm could produce red rain, and they have told us that this red rain is an anomaly and not a toxin or anything like that. We do not know what this red rain can do, so it is advised that you evacuate. Evacuate if you live within a 125-mile radius or live in any of the listed areas. You should evacuate. Any further, and you should stay vigilant. Evacuation is the only primary source of safety. Civil authorities such as police and military forces will help with evacuation procedures. The Gorelandian government has given the military full permission to open the border to Goreland, and the Robloxian government has given the military full permission to open the border to Roblox land. The Robloxian border is now open. Repeating, the Robloxian border is now open. The Minecraft and Gorebox borders are also open. If you want to evacuate to to Roblox land, take the following roads: Highway 76, EVL 42, Highway 102, Highway 42, Highway 66, Interstate 2, Interstate 4, Interstate 5, Interstate 10, Highway 50, Highway 60, EVL 70, Brick Avenue, Brick Road, and Roblox and Robloxian 76. If you want to evacuate to Minecraft land, use the following routes: EVL 26, EVL 35, Highway 102, Highway 104, Highway 108, Highway 208, Highway 215, Roblox Road, Minecraft Avenue, Gore Parkway, and Highway 115. If you want to evacuate to Goreland, take the following routes: EVL 76, EVL 42, EVL 35, North Highway 76, Interstate 72, Interstate 56, Interstate 185, and Highway 76. If you cannot evacuate, civil authorities and militaries will help with the evacuation procedures. Place a white towel or any visible object in any visible part of your home to let civil authorities know you have evacuated. When evacuating, bring all the essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, important documents, money, and other essential items. If you have a friend or family member in any place of public gathering such as a school or church, do not go to pick them up. Repeating, if you have a friend or family member at any place of public ordinance such as a church or school, do not go to pick them up. These places normally have their own evacuation procedures. If you have a neighbor or friend in need, help them. Repeating, if you have a neighbor or friend in need, help them. Help anyone that you see that is in need of help. Help them. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. If you want to report sightings of red, pink, or brown-hued water, go to other dangerous anomalies and other things, go to www.stoptheanomalies.org or call our number at 177-345-2144. That's 177-324-4144. Call the number on your screen, or go to our website at www.stoptheanomalies.org. That's www.stoptheanomalies.org. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. 2 hours later. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details and information will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is via network. We will continue providing news and information for the Madison County area. If you are not in this local area, tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use only. Wait for further instruction and do not turn off your device. Repeating, wait for further instruction and do not turn off your device. If If you choose to turn off your device, you could be missing vital information for your safety. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County Emergency Management, Madison County Police Department, and the Madison County Military. The previous alert that was issued 2 hours ago was not only more dangerous than we expected, but also a lot more powerful. The previously issued severe thunderstorm warning was not only much worse than we expected, but it is also a lot more powerful. Not only are you expecting red rain, and pink rain, and brown rain, but you are also expecting dangerous tornadoes with different abilities depending on the environment they're in. This is abnormal, and it is actually really dangerous. These are not normal tornadoes. Repeating, these are not normal tornadoes. These tornadoes are a lot more dangerous and are a lot more powerful than your standard tornadoes. These tornadoes have the ability to go past the EF5 scale and can have winds of excess of 1,000 miles an hour. Repeating, these tornadoes can have wind speeds of excess of 1,000 miles an hour. This is very dangerous and can destroy well-built and poorly built homes. It can toss light vehicles, and it can destroy overpasses. These tornadoes have the ability to rip weaker skyscrapers off their foundations and destroy them mid-air. These tornadoes have the ability to uproot all trees and rip buildings off their foundations and destroy them mid-air. Cars will be decimated and tossed around like a ball. If you are in the following areas: Liberty County, Gore County, Brick County, and any other county that is in Goreland, Roblox Land, Minecraft Land, you are urged to seek shelter in any underground shelter. Basements, fallout shelters, or other shelters that are in the ground and or are very deep underground will be suitable. No interior room or storm cellar will be safe. If you do not have a basement or underground shelter, civil authorities will lead you to one. This storm is humongous and can produce many tornadoes with this power. The Robloxian, Minecraft, and Gorebox militaries have been given full permission by their governments to send their entire nuclear arsenal over to us. The entirety of this nuclear arsenal should evaporate all sources of water and should destroy the source of this disaster. The military and other forces from Everything Land have been sent out to destroy the cause and to contain the other escaped anomalies roaming around, killing people and destroying things. Also, numerous reports have come in on our website and on our phone line that a strange crystal was found in a partially destroyed shop. This crystal is not unlike any other crystal that we have seen. It has the ability to summon any kind of disaster that can destroy. Another crystal was found in another shop that was selling it. This crystal has the ability to summon any helpful thing that could be of use to us humans. The military and other forces have been on the lookout for any extraterrestrial life that could possibly help us. The Everythingnadian, Groenlandian, Robloxian, and Minecraft space agencies have all been on the lookout for other planets containing extraterrestrial life. There is one planet that there is 1,266,128 planets that could inhabit life. That is like human. That's like humanity. This is a promising sign that we could get help. The Everythingnadian government has sent out some of their military forces military forces, the entirety of the EA, volunteered citizens, and other forces to help us out. It is one chaotic event. The SCP Foundation has purposefully released all their anomalies because the Everythingnadian government has the ability to turn any hostile entity or anomaly around and to make them safe and not harmful. Even the most dangerous, like SCP-001, when day breaks, and other very, very dangerous and life-threatening anomalies and SCPs. The Robloxian Space Agency, or RSA, has seen on telescopes and space radars that there are hundreds of planets that could have signs of extraterrestrial life. They have sent some signals to these planets, and they have gotten responses. The majority of the planets that have been detected have life that could speak our language. The other life have sent out some spaceships that will be landing on Earth within the next 15 to 20 minutes. Do not interfere and do not approach. Repeating, do not interfere and do not approach. We do not know what this extraterrestrial life is capable of, but it has been reported that this life is capable of destroying our Earth 1,000 times. The Everythingnadian government have been vigilant of whether or not this life could be hostile and if another war could begin. It is advised that you stay indoors and await further instruction from the government. We just got a report now that all the planets that were detected by the RSA and other space agencies, that all the planets have friendly extraterrestrial life, and that they said that there are an indefinite number of those planets that have promising friendly life that can speak our language and help us. We do not know if this is true, though, but we have sent some signals to them, and they have responded. They all said that they were friendly and that they were going to help us out in this time of crisis. So there's no need for staying in your homes. If you live in any of the listed areas, along with the entirety of Roblox land, Goreland, and Minecraft land, you are advised to evacuate. We understand that this is a scary time in our life, and it is one of many that will never ever occur again. But If we fall, we will rise, and we will be much stronger. If we work together, we can get through anything. That is, if we work together. When evacuating, do not panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. Do whatever you can to stay calm, as staying calm will be your only way of survival. The remainder of this alert has been silenced for your safety. Nah, just kidding. Anyways, so the RSA has detected the extraterrestrial life that has been seen is friendly and will help us. They will help us evacuate to Everything Land. So will the Everything Canadian government. Hundreds of thousands of angels have been sent out to help with evacuation procedures as well. Do not fear. Fear is terrible, and it is bad, and is not advised. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. You will be evacuated to Everything Land within the next 15 to 20 minutes. Stay in one place and do not move. Not even a muscle. As you will be teleported in T-minus 15 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have been successfully teleported into Everything Land. This alert will cease, and your regularly scheduled programming will continue. This is the end of this broadcast. The emergency alert system has been activated. Bacon. Bacon! You hear me? Wait, what is that noise? Hold on. What the heck? Bacon, come out your front door. Alright? What, who is that's speaking? It's me, your conscience. Oh, jeez. What do you want now? Well, I just wanted to tell you that it is past episode 30, and you know that. I, the spirit, said that I would be back by episode 30. And here I am again, ready to destroy you in any way I can. I have had enough of your games, and I have had enough of what you've done. You've escaped all scenarios, and I'm tired of it. I'm tired of endangering all other life. I am done, and I am tired. The Everything Canadian Kidding Man, I'm tired of you. Is tired of evacuating your stupid little conscience. I understand that you are just trying to live your life, but this little life you're living, it is not what I was expecting. We do know, though, that what you've been doing is not what I was expecting. This is only an experiment to see what you could do. And I've seen that you've been prospering. Oh, what do I see you're doing? Oh, you're trying to get into your little truck, huh? talk. Okay. That's good. Come to the top of the tower. I want to talk with you for a little bit. Hey, Kitty Man, what's good? Yo. It appears that we meet again. It's been a while since we've met, and I've seen that you have made it successfully through all my experiments. And all this life that I've been, quote, endangering is not actually real. So, all of this was just a test to see my true power. You see, I am not quite sure how you're able to survive, because I'm trying my hardest to see what you can do and what your limits are. This is just an experiment, my friend. This is just an experiment to see what you can do. And I've seen that you are able to do a lot. But this time, this all stops. I'm sorry to say this, but all other life and things have already been evacuated, my friend. There is no more of this seek shelter now, all that crap. Because this is a true test. A true test. And even if more EAS scenarios come out and you watch them, all that is just a test. Nothing is real, my friend. You are the only one that I'm able to test to see my true power with these scenarios. And it appears as if wherever you go, it happens. So I'm going to limit you to a few things and a few games that can be scenarioed. Those games including Roblox, Gorebox, and Minecraft. So, yeah, good luck, my friend. Because I understand that this is not something you were expecting, but I am done. I'm tired, okay? That's all I want you to understand. Is I was a spirit on episode 15. I wasn't meaning to be harsh or devilish. That was just my bad side. I know that I messed up. I know. And it is a little messed up that I have to do this to you, Bacon. But let us come together and rise for a new world. One of prosperity and one without death or despair. Are you with me on this conquest for true authority? Or are you just going to stand there and ignore my question? Kitty Man, I understand what you said, but you realize that this is a game and I could just kill you if I wanted to? So you want to test that, huh? You want to see my true power? I don't think you would like it very much. Okay, Kitty Man, I don't want to get on your bad side. I understand. But, you know what? I'm tired of these scenarios. You put other people in danger. You realize that, right? Innocent gore dolls that did nothing to you. Oh no. I keep forgetting about that I've been putting people in danger. No wonder the government keeps telling me that you're putting people in danger and you should stop. Okay, alright. You are not allowed to use gore dolls or any form of life with you. Alright? That's final. No more spawning gore dolls, no more fighting with them, none of that. I will be back on episode 45 to see how you're doing. I will come back on episode 60 and then that's when I'll stop coming back. But for the 75th episode, the 75th episode of EAS Scenarios is when I'll stop coming, and I will come over here for the last time to have a little conversation with you. Okay, Bacon? Okay, mister. Alright, I understand. Alright, now if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna delete myself. I guess I'm forced to jump off of here now. Bye-bye.